Well, I ordered this from Tiger Tool. It's a automotive C-frame socket press. I'll get this out. I'll show you guys. This is very, very interesting. Kind of a really cool tool. I'll explain more in just a minute. As always, blow molded case. That's one thing I really like about Tiger Tool, man. Their stuff comes in an assembly case. This is 10205 part number. And what this is a press for doing U-joints, ball joints, anything small press. But what's really cool about it is you don't have to buy all the adapters. You can use your sockets. So you're able to put this up in here and then use your impact socket to press in there, and you can put one of these smaller inserts on the bottom. I'd put a little oil on there, of course. I thought this would be great for doing U-joints on drive shafts. I had to press one out the other day, and this would have been so much easier. Yeah, one can go in this side, or you can have a different one to go in this side. So whichever way you're trying to press and you need the deep socket, you can use it that way, or you can put a socket on either side. Very well built. I thought it was a very interesting tool. I thought it'd be good for having, and unfortunately it was caught up in custom so long. What I needed to do with it is already done, but I'll give you an idea. I'll show you what I was going to use it for. So many of you have already seen, I pulled a 6-liter motor and transmission out of that van, and Chuck needed the yoke off this end. Well, this is an aluminum drive shaft, completely aluminum, and the last thing I wanted to do was to put it in a vise and beat on it to get these U-joints out. So that's one of the reasons I thought that'd be really cool, because you can basically set it up as however you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works. I'm going to pull these keepers out of each side. Once I do, I'll get this set up and show you. Okay, you got an inch and a quarter socket on that side. That will clear the cone on that side, and then we'll run this in, put some oil on the threads. I always put oil on the threads. It's a nice compact C-frame. I mean, I could see doing a lot with that. That's for sure. Alright, we'll get that about the way I want it. Yep, I'm pretty happy with that. Let's find some oil. Alright. Okay. Now we can go the other way. That's pretty seized in there. I'm going to see if I can get channel locks and pull that out, because this is as far as this can go right now. That's the thing about these. Man, look how dry that was. Jeez, there's like nothing there. Alright, so now I'm going to push it the other way and get that cap off. There we go. You know, the attraction of this thing is the fact that these things get so corroded in the aluminum, and if you don't have a press and you try and put this thing in a vise or something, you're beating on it, you just destroy the drive shaft. But this will also be nice on smaller stuff, small things I want to press in. I like that. I like the fact that, you know, you can use your own sockets. You don't have to buy all the adapters. Like, So this is one time when I would say that, you know, going to Harbor Freight to get them their impact sockets would be worth having, because, you know, you could have all the different sizes and you can have deeps and shallows where you could use on either end. Because remember, you got an anvil, a quarter, 3/8 and half for each end, so you can make your own press to whatever you need. And it's real attractive on these aluminum drive shafts because, you know, you can't put them in a vise or anything because you end up putting a dent in them because they're so soft. So plus, you know, if you did this, you could actually just leave the drive shaft in the vehicle and just do the one joint right there on the vehicle. That's kind of nice too. But I really like the idea of having the two different anvils because, you know, you got quarter, 3/8 and half for each side. So you don't have to use a half and a half. I mean, whatever your combination needs to be to make it work. But I can see how that's pretty handy. I'm glad I got it. I wish I would have got it when Chuck was here, because I did the other U-joint. He needed the yoke out of this thing, so I had to do it the less than fantastic way, trying to hold the yoke and smacking the cast iron yoke with a hammer and not damage the drive shaft. I don't need the drive shaft, but if you're in a situation where you do, that's probably going to be a time saver. So I'm glad it got here. I got something else coming from him. I just haven't got it yet. I ordered this. I got paid for this on the 21st of September, and today's October 13th, so it's been tied up for quite a long time in customs. Could be because all the forest fires are having out that way right now. That's what I'm thinking. So anyways, if you guys find you could use this thing, go to Tiger Tool. It's part number 10205. And it comes in that kit. Like I said, you get all the different anvils from quarter, 3/8 and half, and then you get a couple just blunt pushers, which work out pretty nice too. And the nice thing is, you know, you got two different sizes. One's meant for each end, so, and like, you can use them in combination however you need for your situation. So anyways, hope you guys like that. Hope it's useful to you. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe button, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.